Step-by-step efficient fix path. Step 1. Restart plus run as admin. Close No Man's Sky and exit Steam completely. Reopen Steam as administrator and try launching again. Step 2. Verify game files. Open Steam library, right-click No Man's Sky. Select Properties, Installed Files, verify integrity of game files. Wait for it to finish. Step 3. Clear cache files. Press Win plus R, type %appdata %hellogames. Delete the cache folder inside. Relaunch the game. Step 4. Disable overlay background conflicts. In Steam, right-click No Man's Sky Properties, disable Steam overlay. Temporarily disable Discord overlay, GeForce Experience, MSI Afterburner, etc. Step 5. Update drivers and Windows. Update GPU drivers. Make sure Windows Update is fully applied. Reboot PC. Step 6. Relink Steam account. Go to Steam, flush config and run. Log back into Steam, then launch No Man's Sky. If you play with cross-save via Xbox Game Pass, unlink and relink your Steam Microsoft accounts.